Good morning. I'm Peter Milios from the Finance News Network. The Dow Jones Industrial Average added more than 300 points overnight as Wall Street shows resilience despite an oil output cut from OPEC Plus that threatens to stoke inflation and recession fears. There will be several key pieces of economic data in a shortened week for investors, including job openings data on Tuesday, ADP private payrolls report on Wednesday, and the closely watched monthly jobs report on Friday. Overall, the Dow Jones climbed to 0.98%. The S&P 500 ticked higher by 0.4%. It was the fourth positive session for both indexes. The Nasdaq Composite slid 0.27%. Markets spent much of their trading session digesting the news from OPEC+, which is slashing 1.16 million barrels per day. West Texas Intermediate futures gained 6.28% to settle at $80.42, and Brent futures rose 6.31% to settle at $84.93. The prospect of higher oil prices could add further unease to Wall Street as the output cuts play out. The Energy Select Sector SPDR Fund, which tracks the S&P 500 energy sector, popped more than 4%. Marathon Oil and Halliburton were the fund's best performers, rising nearly 9.9% and 7.7% respectively. In M&A news, Ari Emanuel's media group, Endeavour, whose properties include the Ultimate Fighting Championship, has agreed to buy World Wrestling Entertainment, creating a live event behemoth and cementing its status as a leader in combat sport competitions. The combination will create a new, publicly traded company that is 51% owned by Endeavour, with WWE holding the remaining 49%. The new company will be worth more than $21 billion. The all-stock deal values WWE at $9.3 billion and UFC at $12.1 billion. And in the mining industry, Canada's Teck Resources Limited rejected a proposal from Glencore to buy the company for shares and then spin off their combined coal businesses, in the latest sign of deal-making heating up across the mining industry. And in lithium news, the Australian government anticipates that revenues from the export of critical minerals such as lithium and nickel will match that of coal's export revenue by 2028 amid the clean energy transition. Australia's industry department stated that the global coal demand has passed its peak, while the demand for minerals like lithium, nickel, copper, and rare earths is expected to accelerate. Overall, overnight, the S&P 500 sectors were mixed. On the back of the oil outputs cut from OPEC, energy was the biggest standout, whilst real estate was the biggest laggard. The SPY futures are pointing to a 0.1% gain. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.